welcomes you all for the orientation session on National Innovation and Startup Policy, NISP.
All the members of the IEC and my postgraduates and the graduates, online graduates. This is a session of the Innovation Cell where we will be hearing two important people. First, Dr. Vaishali Dhigra. She is an academician the last 22 years. The second speaker of our session will be Dr. Vipin Jain. He has many awards to his name for innovation and entrepreneurship.
We need to understand the essence of entrepreneurship first. I've divided my session, intentionally I've divided my session into a few categories, and I'll be taking up the topic, the core topic of today in the last. I'll be talking about the government's policy towards the end, when each one of you have actually understood the essence of entrepreneurship, risk, uncertainty, and how to cope up with it. Dr. Devi Shetty, people who are, people who have already made their mark in their fields. We always talk about successful, famous people whenever this term entrepreneurship comes to our mind, right? So this is a fundamental attribution error, perceptual disorder. I would like to suggest each one of you that entrepreneurs are not a different breed. They are people from amongst us only, right? हम लोगों में से ही तो लोग हैं. Why I'm talking about entrepreneurship with firm conviction? Because I belong to a family of entrepreneurs, first generation entrepreneurs who migrated way back in 1947 when there was partition of India and Pakistan. My family migrated from Sialkot, now in Pakistan, right? When they continued with their business here in India, which is now a well-established business. So entrepreneurs are actually not a different breed. They are one amongst us. हमी लोगों में से entrepreneurs बनते हैं. They prove their worth. Sustainable, dependent economy. Right? We want to be independent. Independent. We don't want Chinese products. We don't want Taiwan products. We don't want products to be imported from America for that matter. Right? So we need a self-sustained economy, especially when it comes to biomedical engineering products. Yes, we need self-sustenance. None of us are Bijaan Daruwalas that we can predict आने वाले कल में क्या होने वाला है. None of us are, foretellers. Right? So we have to deal with uncertainty. Who knew that this pandemic will occur all of a sudden and will be taken in its stride? Right? The onset of COVID-19. Right? Because you are in this profession, tell me with firm conviction, if any one of you can say that during March 2020 we were aware what to do next. None in the medical fraternity, none in the fraternity of scientists knew what should be our next step. आपको नहीं पता, किसी को भी नहीं पता. तो uncertainty को handle करना just with the stool of planning would be foolishness. The first edge is facts or the information that is already certain to us. So that is beautiful. बहुत अच्छा है. भाई आने वाले कल में क्या होने वाला है, ठीक है. मैं आई हॉस्पिटल खोलना चाहता हूँ. मेरे सिटी में 5 आई हॉस्पिटल्स हैं. That information is with me. And it's a fact. मेरे सिटी में कितने ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट्स हैं, मुझको पता है. These uncertainties are the categories that we know, we are going to encounter, and we don't know how it will pay out. We know that we will face these uncertainties, but whether we will be able to cope up fully with them or no. This is recently shared that they are now working upon, they've collected data from almost all leading radiologists of India, of Singapore, of Canada, right? 3 countries. And they are trying to connect that radiological diagnosis with artificial intelligence. So maybe in the near future, I'm not saying all of a sudden, but maybe in the near future, uh, the radiology diagnosis are based upon some kind of artificial intelligence, avoiding the role of radiologist in between, right? Actually tell us that you do this, you open a hospital in this city, you open up a medical facility in this area, in this city, and you earn a lot, right? But this is comic conventional planning because you don't know, sitting out here, you don't know what next is going to happen. Is in place. You cannot charge whatsoever price you want to charge for your treatment or unique thing what you do, right? So illegal or regulated monopoly, yes, you can. Mm, uh, uh, is there anybody from radiology stream over here? Radiology, right? There was a time when there used to be only one CT scan center or only one MRI machine in the city. Even today, if you go on counting, if we talk about this city, Muradabad, you'll really find more than 10 MRI machines existing. This picture, which is portrayed over here, right? So I'm not going to talk about cotton face masks. Please just read this line written in white at the corner. It says beginner screen tutorial. There are people across the world who are selling masks for prevention against COVID-19, but there was one person who started selling the tutorials. Right? You can learn how to make face masks, and the person charges, right? So, the person is rendering sessions for screen good masks. Right? So, it's this rare capability or this uniqueness you have to look in your profession also. There are two approaches when we talk about innovation or entrepreneurship. There are two approaches. Push, whatever you make, it is pushed in the market. जो आपको भाई मुझे तो इतना ही आता है, मैंने तो इतना ही फार्मेकोलॉजी पढ़ा है, I can give you this medicine for treatment of fever, this medicine for treatment of cough. What do I know? Beyond this, I don't know, right? Whatever you have thought, whatever you have studied, whatever product you have made, and whatever service you want to render, you are rendering it, you are pushing it in the market. People are not demanding it. Pull approach says that people are demanding your service. वो कब होगा? Dear students, it will only happen when you have some rare capability in you. On travel, you are driving कुछ भी, right? eBay, you can sell and buy the products using this platform. We talk about Dr. Devi Shetty's hospital. He is known for cardiac surgeries. If we talk about Dr. Aravinda, he performs cataract surgeries, right? So they are known for this basic product. ऐसा नहीं है कि Dr. Devi Shetty has not expanded his business. He has expanded his business, right? He is now into insurance also. It's a public limited company. It's a beautiful proposition. Owner's equity नहीं है उसके hospital में. People have invested money in Dr. Devi Shetty's venture, right? Now, if these people, he turned into an entrepreneur in the year 2000, right? So, he is one doctor whose case study has been developed and taught in Harvard Business School also. Let's talk a bit about what government has in store for us. Government talks about Ayushman Bharat, right? हम लोगों ने सबने सुना है, there is some scheme called Ayushman Bharat. जिन लोगों के private practices हैं, hospitals हैं, the doctors say, what I am saying is a fact. The doctors say it's a problem for us at times because we don't get payment in time, and all these kinds of issues are reported by doctors and hospitals. But in essence, if the scheme is implemented in total, 100% in honesty, if it's implemented, yes, it's going to benefit every Indian who needs treatment under this scheme. Right? I'm talking about the economically backward classes who cannot afford expensive treatment. They will be covered. They are actually covered under this policy. NAP, National University of Singapore, it's one of the most sought after program over there, right? Why? When there are so many body parts which can be replaced, you know it. It's not only those stunts which are available in the market, but yeah, plasma. There are so many things which can be created artificially and can be replaced in the human body. Not to fiddle with the creation of God, of course, right? But then, yes, it can provide respite to a number of ailments and diseases. So you need to think, you need to talk to people, you need to talk to engineers also, what can be done. At least think about something कि ये problem है, इसको कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. Then start looking for viable solutions. Start talking to people in the day, right? So when we talk about this gentleman, Suresh Vazirani, he was an electrical engineer. Jayaprakash Narayan, a famous political figure, he was once admitted to a hospital where some treatment was to be given to him. The dialysis machine was actually out of order and he was put on dialysis. So, mental hospitals across India. So again, this is a very good Bible preposition. Pathology में आपको देखते ही हो a number of franchise. I mean, it's actually working on franchise model. But then in various other streams, other disciplines of medical science, you can think about such models. I want to speak about the owner, the CEO, Richard Branson with you, right? Because I want to explain something related to your medical fraternity when it comes. See, whenever entrepreneurship comes to our mind, we think about opening of a multi-speciality hospital kind of thing, right? 3 conditions must hold true. Number 1, the need has to be a real need, real need. Delve into the heads of people. आप people के जहन में जाकर देखें, सोचें, ढूंढें that actually whether this need exists, क्या उनको ये चाहिए medical doctors से, what they are looking for, give them that. Your solution actually has to meet the need. पहले आपने need को identify करा. Second step would be think about the solution which could actually provide an answer to the need. It has to address the challenge. It has to make the pain go away from for the customer. Customer in this case, of course, the patient. I just share one example, quick example of iPod. Because you are medical students, you'll be able to understand. A handicapped person, what do you say? A handicapped person can do everything sitting on the wheelchair. Doesn't he need to stand up anytime? क्या उसको खड़े होके कोई काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ सकती? Doesn't he need to elevate himself to the level of 5 feet or 6 feet? Right? खड़े जाने के जितना उसको elevate करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So this company actually thought about a viable solution that a handicapped person who cannot stand, उसको कोई problem है, वो खड़ा नहीं हो सकता, but of course he can elevate his wheelchair, kind of wheelchair, police force also in Thailand में जहाँ पर उनको narrow lanes में करना होता है, they use that. Taxis, who wants to travel into auto rickshaws? Maybe those auto rickshaws are, some person has used that auto rickshaw and left that infection. Indian people worldwide lack access to clean drinking water, right? And a number of people, approximately 6,000 children die of such diseases across the world every day, mostly definite conditions. Again, a research was conducted by Stanford University. हमारी country पे research Stanford कर रही है, तो कुछ तो होगा इंडिया में, right? So none of the city has 24 round the clock water supply. कोई भी ऐसी city नहीं है. Running water. I'm not talking about exclusively TMU, where you are getting the facility of electricity and water round the clock. Running water is available to only 46.6% of the homes. So on and so forth. These statistics are shared over here. Groundwater is depleting at a very fast pace, right? New infrastructure needs to be built up in the country. there have to be some taker of this idea in the country. If we want हमारे city में भी ground water की ना हो जाए, persistent thought. Yes, India is developing, but yes, a part of India is still starving. Both the calorie requirements to us, Sitna, as doctors, you know, right? Now, how to provide these basic calorie requirements to masses, ये आपकी key problem है. Change is the key to survival, no doubt. Companies, जो ITC किसी ज़माने में, at one point of time, ITC was known for manufacturing cigarettes, right? That ITC has, actually adapted to change to disinfectant बना रही है to manage COVID-19, right? So change is the law of nature. आप programs अपने घर में, अब मुझे I really thank to Dr. दत्ता, मुझे मेरे ऑफिस में बैठने का leisure में आराम से आपसे बात कर पा रही हूँ, sitting in the leisure of my office. So there is something great, right? ऐसे students भी चाहेंगे. Flexibility is required and it's the need of the hour. आपको नहीं मन कर पाते थे, but हाँ, as doctors lab तो आपको attend करनी ही होगी. You have to meet the patient. But yeah, MOOC, massive online open courses, capsule courses, half an hour, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. These are the need of that. How to make it happen? Identify your market segment. भाई कौन मेरी सर्विस का टेकर होगा? मैं ऐसा प्रोडक्ट, ऐसी सर्विस देता हूँ. Who will be the taker of my service? I am good at this surgery. Who will be the taker? Identify your segment. कितने लोग हैं उस segment में? Who will be the taker? Pediatric surgery, pediatric radiology करके आप इंडिया में आ गए. But how many takers would be there? आप एक सेंटर खोल के pediatric radiology diagnostic center खोल के आप मुरादाबाद में बैठ जाओ. How many patients will be coming to you? Right? MD किया है? Why should I hold this? Why should I do that? How will you understand my deal? How will you understand the secret, the trait of your business? Unless you perform each and every procedure on your own. He traveled with Mumbai Dabbawalas in a local train. You can see him sitting in a local train. के आसपास Mumbai Dabbawalas, those tiffin walas provide service, tiffin service across Mumbai. Right? He traveled with them, this owner of Virgin Atlantic Airlines, right? He traveled with this uneducated fleet of Mumbai Dabbawalas to understand their supply chain.